How do I download the VEWD App Store?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to cover how to download the VEWD App Store on your smart device. If you're not familiar, the VEWD App Store is a cloud-based app store for smart TVs and set-top boxes.
What do I need?
Before we get started, ensure that you have a smart TV or set-top box compatible with the VEWD App Store. Unfortunately, the App Store is not available for download on all devices, so compatibility is crucial. The VEWD App Store is preloaded on many smart TVs and devices by Sony, Hisense, and other manufacturers.
How do I access the VEWD App Store?
Since the VEWD App Store is cloud-based, it's not downloaded in the traditional sense. Instead, you access it through a compatible smart TV or set-top box. 1. First, turn on your smart TV or set-top box. 2. Use your remote to navigate to the device's main menu. 3. Look for an option like App Store, Apps, or Internet Content. 4. Select this option, and you should find the VEWD App Store listed.
What if I can't find the VEWD App Store?
If you can't find the VEWD App Store, your device may not support it. VEWD App Store is often preloaded on compatible devices. If you're unsure, check your device's documentation or contact the manufacturer for confirmation. And there you have it. That's how you access the VEWD App Store on a compatible smart TV or set-top box. Remember, the VEWD App Store is a cloud-based platform, meaning it's not a standalone application that you can download and install in a traditional sense. Enjoy exploring the variety of apps available on the VEWD App Store. If this tutorial was helpful, please let us know, and feel free to reach out with any additional questions.